Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this Venom inspired look. I went on Google, got a couple pictures as inspiration, and this is what I came up with. If you guys do like it, please keep on watching, and I'm gonna put it in voiceover because I didn't want to talk forever, and this was my first time really going all out on a Halloween tutorial. So if you guys do like it, please leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and give me a like. Also head over to my Facebook page that I have linked down below in my description and follow me there, like the page, and I've been doing lives on there, and I'm gonna do quick last minute Halloween looks there, so you guys can check those out too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first going in with the Elmer's glue and gluing down my eyebrows just to make them flat, and then cleaning up my eyebrows, filling them in as usual, just so that we can go ahead and start with the eye that we're gonna smoke out. Now going in with this iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors palette, I'm going to start going in with Loungy and starting to put that on my crease, so we can then go after with the color Wanderlust and deepening up the crease and blending that out. Now going in with Finders Keepers, putting that on my lid. Clean up the fallout, and going in with L'Oreal as my foundation, and the Tarte Shape Tape as concealer, setting the face, and going in with the same colors that we did on the top and smoking out that lower lash line, and adding that black eyeliner, breaking out. Oh wow, let's continue. Now going in with the white eye pencil, I'm gonna start mapping out kind of where I want the side of the Venom, like you'll get it once we're done. So I'm just using this white pencil just to help me outline everything out and kind of guide me before I go in with the black water. ¿Cómo chingo se dice? The black face paint. And always remember, do those fuchi faces just so you know that you are concentrating. Now with the NYX Jumbo white pencil, I felt like this one was helping a little more than that other one that I was using before. I'm just mapping out where I'm gonna be doing the teeth, so just kind of roughly sketching it out, and then we go in with paint afterwards. Creating that mouth piece, like the outline of the mouth of how big I want that, and elongating the teeth just because they did look a little smaller, and putting in the bottom teeth kind of how I want them. Like I said, we are going to go in with white paint afterwards just to brighten them up. Adding little teeth in between. Now going in with a black paint, and I'm using the Mayron Pro palette that I bought on Amazon. I will link that down in the description box so that you guys know which one I'm talking about. Just outlining, like I said, and then we are gonna go back in with white after, just to brighten it up. And I will be going in with black and then some white just to fix up, like detail everything out. Now going in with a smaller, more detailed brush and that black face paint, I'm just basically outlining where I went in with the white. Not perfectly, obviously, as you can see, but I just wanted that white just to kind of give me a guide of what I was going to be doing in. Here you'll see that I'm going in with a little bigger brush and with the same black paint just to fill in all those blank spaces from those little lines that I did. And it doesn't have to be perfect because Venom is not like super like boxy and everything like that. Just squiggly lines across your face. Now going in with the CC Beauty cream paint, I'm going to be going in with that red. I did start with the Mayron one, but I felt like it was too watery, and this is the first time using this Pro palette, or this CC, like the cream palette, and it just helped me work with that red better. And just outlining over where the teeth that are at, that's more like the gums that we're doing there. And outlining with that detailed brush and outlining over with the red. And here I just outlined the entire mouth to put in the shape of exactly how it's going to be. And filling in the inside of the mouth. And you'll see that I'm going to be going in with the black and then the white, just because I did cover up the smaller teeth. I did accidentally color in a little too much. And here just filling it in a little more with the red. And like I said, going back in with more white. And I think the most fun is going to be painting the entire face now. And you'll see it's going to start coming together now. And I did bring it down my neck, down my shoulders a little, on my shoulders. And this piece here, I made it out of hot glue. So I just got a little bit of spirit gum, kind of mapped out where it was going to be touching my face, and adding that to just those 2 points just to make sure it was secure. Here it took forever to dry, but finally it did. I'm going in with the white cream paint just to make the eye a little more brighter, and then I will be going in towards the outsides. I did go in with some grays and then some black just so I could kind of disguise it when I was looking forward. Obviously you're not going to disguise it when you're sideways because it's a big old piece of glue, but just so it can look a little more realistic towards the edges. Realistic, was that the word? I don't know, but you guys get me. And here I picked up a small brush, and with the white cream paint, I'm just going over some of the areas in the mouth, and then I will be going in like the entire face just to create some like highlights on the face. Just all over the face, just lines here, there, just for highlight. And now going in with the red lip liner, I'm going to go ahead and outline the lips, fill them in with a Nars lipstick. Pop on some contacts, lashes, and a wig, and you're all done.